Well, it kind of feels like I haven't picked up a camera for a long time. I know it's probably been like 2 weeks since I posted a video, and today I wasn't planning on picking up the camera and vlog or anything like that. There was just a lot of things in mind. Today was just super hot. If you live in Kona, you guys know. I know some of you guys may ask what's going on with the Evo. Currently the Evo is just chilling underneath the tent. We parked this car after we came back home from the drags. If you guys don't know the story, basically what we end up doing, we picked up some STM intercooler piping, all that stuff. We went with the AGT 62mm turbo, upgraded the fuel system, 450 wall bar, all that kind of stuff. We tuned it. Car basically made almost 500 wheel horsepower. Virtual dyno jet made 492 wheel horsepower and 389 torque. All the boost on pump gas. First pass it did on the drags, bogged off the line, and then as soon as we got close to the finish line, the car started acting up, running rough. Basically everything else was going downhill. Pretty dang bad. Yep. Oh, 90. 90? Yep. Oh, 180. Knocking. The exhaust knocking too. So. The valve and the intake side is bent. Yep. Yeah. The car lifted head, coolant leak, put the spark plug, found out cylinder 4 had, like, it looked like the spark plug got hot, so there was like melted shaving materials, rod knock, all that kind of stuff happened to the car. Drove it home and pre-parked everything there. The next day I hit up JP, which is my friend, told me that his buddy in Oahu had a stock block. I hit him up, he actually got one, we paid for it, and I was gonna go do stock block, but I kind of thought about it a little bit over time, and we are planning to fully build the block. I'm super excited about that. Not too sure when that thing is going to be done. As far as with everything goes with finance and being, you know, I'm just trying to take it slow. You know, this video kind of want to let you guys know we're not doing anything mechanically related or anything. I just want to come up here and just kind of tell you guys that I'm gonna be taking a little bit step back on vlogging for now. If you guys know, I went back to BMW, my full-time job. I am the technician. I work 5 days a week, and also I do have a second job at a restaurant that I work, Tommy Bahama. And also I've been just doing a lot of side jobs every Saturday, so I'm like consistently working 6 days a week, and it's been like that for a few weeks, and to the point where I just got so tired, so exhausted, and my mind was constantly running. I had a mean anxiety. I couldn't even go sleep. Like, my wife had to help me out, calm myself down, and knocked out like after 2 o'clock in the morning. And so I'm just kind of been battling with that. I don't have any like health issue or anything, but it's been kind of catching up on me, and I kind of really need to slow down. And yeah, I was hoping that I can go ahead and put a cylinder head and inspect everything. Pretty sure we already did bend the valve, because we did a compression test and leak down test and all that when we brought the car over to my cousin's shop. But I've just been super busy. It's just so hard to keep up with everything now in life, and especially when I have a family. You know, I really want to put some quality time to spend time with them and my 2 boys. They're not getting any younger. My oldest just turned 9 years old like a few weeks ago, and you know, I really want to, you know, spend some time with them. I know that you guys are really wanted to look forward to see what's going on with the Evo belt, or maybe even the Hondas, but as of right now, life is just so busy. I've just been constantly working, grinding, trying to save a lot of money right now for the bills, and we have a Vegas trip coming up in a few weeks. So I've just been, just doing my own thing, as just keeping myself busy. But if we do end up start working on the Evo before then I'll post a video and maybe let you guys know. But I am also thinking that once we go to Vegas, we are taking the boys, to Cali first, and then we're gonna take them to Legoland and all that stuff. So I might be vlogging that, and maybe you guys can actually see me and my family in the vlog video, and kind of show you guys all the great times that we're gonna have. So super excited about that. Yeah, you guys are probably just wondering what's going on with the videos. I know some of you guys are asked on Instagram, but if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I have my link down in the description box below. You guys can just check up on me on stories and stuff like that though. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm planning to do. So I know you guys are kind of bummed, but as of right now, with everything that's going on with life, I kind of have to take a step back for now. So really do appreciate all the support, the love, and everything with the YouTube channel, and basically just supporting me. Very, very grateful for you guys. And if it wasn't for you guys for keep pushing content, I wouldn't able to be here to this day. So I'm very, very grateful for that. But yeah, this is gonna be a very, very short video. So I just hope that we can get this car running. It might not be running until sometime next year. Like I said, I wanna go ahead and take it nice and slow. Just kind of build the car slowly. I don't want to rush and then something goes wrong. Was gonna do stop block, like I said, but it ain't happening. Might as well do it right, then do it twice. So yeah, like I said, appreciate the love and support, guys. I'll see you guys sometimes in the next video.